Hi there, Benjamin here from goldenweb.net, where we help scale Shopify brands through the power of SEO and organic traffic. And today I want to share an advanced keyword research and content planning strategy that we have used to scale this brand new Shopify project from zero all the way to about 17.9K organic monthly traffic in a competitive niche. So here is how we did it. So I know that just recently in the previous email, I shared a basic version of content planning and keyword research strategy. But today I want to go a little bit more in depth, a little bit more advanced, I guess, and show you a strategy that you can use if you're really serious and if you want to dive deep into SEO and really cover every single step of your audience's journey from the kind of the start of the buying journey all the way to making a purchase on your Shopify store. So here is the strategy. So just like yesterday, just like in the previous video, what we started with is just by putting together a list of either 3 all the way up to 5 competitors in your niche. And the same thing that we did in the previous video, we'll also be doing here. So we'll start by opening up SEO tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or any of those. We will go into Site Explorer and we will simply enter the first competitor's domain in here. But instead of actually going through the top pages and looking through all of the pages like we did in the previous strategy, we will go under the organic keywords tab. And the main reason why we're going under the organic keywords tab is because we will, instead of trying to identify what kind of content angles they're using, we will try to find the root keywords that are being repeated across all of these articles. So again, here I'm just doing the demonstration or the example on op.com, which is a nail polish brand. So all the keywords will be more or less focused around nail polish. So if I just give Ahrefs 1 second here so that this loads. So now that we have a full list of the keywords that op.com is ranking for, the first thing that we will start here is by clicking on export. So the first thing is just to export all of the keywords that op.com is ranking for, and then you will continue by going through the rest of the either 3 or 5 competitors that you have noted down in the beginning and export all of their keywords as well. The next step is to go into just an Excel document, paste all the CSVs that you just exported so that you have all of the keywords from all of the 3 to 5 competitors in one place. In there, you will then remove all of the brand keywords. So for example, you will remove all of the keywords that contain OP in there and the name of the other competitors. And then you will simply sort all the keywords by volume. And then you will start going through a list of those keywords. You don't need to go through all of the keywords, but I would say maybe just go through about 20 or 30% or so, and just see what kind of patterns are kind of repeating over there. So obviously we have nail polish, and I would highly suggest just opening up on a notepad or something like that and noting down all of the keywords, the keyword variations, and so on. So nail polish, gel nail polish, what else? Nail polish colors, nail lacquer, gel color, nail strengthener, nail powder, nail art, and so on and so on. So you'll just be repeating this process for, I would say, until you get through a list of about 20%, 20 to 30% is usually what we take. After that, you will just enter the root keyword. So the root keyword is a part of the keyword that gets repeated in every single keyword. So obviously in this case, it's nail. So it's nail, nails, that's pretty much it. So those two are going to be the same across every single keyword that we just saw now. So then we will go under, so we'll just go into the keyword explorer. We will enter these two as the root keywords. We will go into matching terms. There should be something similar available in SEMrush. and you will just go under the include function. And what this will do, it will pretty much display every single keyword in the database that includes nail and nails, and also these other keywords that we'll note down. So we said polish, polishes, color, colors, art, design, designs. Let's just use these for example. This is why I said it's important to actually note all of this down. You will click on apply. You'll click on show results. And now you have, just off of those 7, and obviously we know that there are a lot more that I didn't go through, you have 470,000 keywords. So the next step is that you export all of these keywords and then just remove all of the keywords that contain either the names of the competitors, keywords that we cannot write content for, or keywords that we cannot rank for with collection or product pages, and everything else that's just simply irrelevant to our brand. From there, we will then take all of the filtered keywords with the irrelevant keywords removed. We will plug them into a clustering tool like Key Clusters, Keyword Cupid, or any of those. You will enter in all those keywords, and then you will be presented with keyword clusters. And what a keyword cluster is pretty much just a group of keywords that should all be targeted just with a single page or a single article. From there, you will try and sort these clusters, these articles, into a group of about 10 all the way up to a maximum of 15 articles into one group, or also one silo. And it's important that the entire silo just contains topics that are relevant to each other, right? So if it's nail polish trends, you can include in that silo nail polish trends for summer, nail polish trends for winter, nail polish trends for fall, and so on and so on. Basically, you want the topics in the same silo to be relevant to each other, because we'll be interlinking all of those articles with each other for better topical authority inside of Google. That's pretty much it. This is exactly how we put together a content plan. It's very, very easy to do. And yeah, I'd highly suggest following this strategy, because it will allow you to really capture every single topic that has some search volume, of course, and that your audience is looking for. It's going to allow you to capture anyone from the start of their buying journey all the way to the end, which is obviously exactly what you want, and pair that with some good opt-ins, and it's going to be very, very easy to convert them, to convert the cold traffic to an opt-in, and from the opt-in using email marketing into actual paying customer with blogs. Obviously, with money pages, they're going to buy directly just because the buying intent is very high on those. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to reply to the email where you saw this video, or if you just simply email me at benjamin@goldenweb.net. And of course, for any other information, feel free to check out goldenweb.net. Thank you, and until next time.